Hello everyone and welcome to our celebration assembly. The last couple of weeks have been so busy in school, from class assemblies to rainforest presentations to our Year 5 science fair. There's been so much going on, but it does mean that we've got a huge amount of fantastic learning achievements to share. So keep watching for some photographs of those excellent achievements and of course to find out who's made their way onto our leaves and leaderboards this week. Have a happy weekend everyone.
Jump up high, reach up to the sky. Try your best, work your hardest, the prize is there for you. So try your best, work your hardest, you'll be a winner too. Try your best, work your hardest, make your dreams come true. Your best's the only best that you can do. Coming last, can't run very fast, lots of things in your way. Taking part is what counts for such a lot, know you'll get there one day. Throw your furthest lift up high, it's easy when you try. Try your best, work your hardest, the prize is there for you. Try your best, work your hardest, you'll be a winner too. Try your best, work your hardest, make your dreams come true. Your best's the only best that you can do. Your best's the only best that you can do. Your best's the only best that you can do.